Look what I got in the mail today. Alocasia Melo. And it's got an inflorescence. And it's way bigger than I expected. Yeah, look at that leaf. Beautiful. Got some potting up to do today. It's getting two blooms. Beautiful. Okay. I sprayed it with neem. It has some suspicious spots on the leaves. I tried to wipe them off and they wouldn't come off, and I'm not sure what they are. So I decided to spray it just in case. And after a few little, maybe 20 minutes, I'll rinse it and then pot it. I really want to put it in pond. Maybe I'll do that. It's big enough. I have one self-watering pot, so yeah, I think I'll do that. So I let this sit for about 15-20 minutes, and I've rinsed it off, and some of those spots are gone. I tried scraping some off. I thought they were maybe scale, but I'm going to quarantine it and just keep an eye on it and get the pond ready. So that's what I'll be doing next. Okay, I got my pot. I have to put the wick in it. Rinsed my pond till the water ran clean. This is my DIY pond that I mixed up myself, and it works very well. So I'm excited to get this plant put in here. Updates in a minute. So I've got my wick. I always melt the ends so it doesn't fray out. Looks a little long, I'll trim that. But I like to have it not that high, about there, so it's by the plant's roots. Now, another pond in here. Okay, now for the plant, I need to take off the moss. Here she is. Very pretty. It's a nice tag. Alocasia Melo. So I've put pond. I've got the little wick right there by the roots. I just ordered more supplies to make more pon because in about a week my baby alocasias that are in fruit ball, some of them will be going in the pond. So I ordered some pots. There were these stakes protecting the plant during shipping, and I'm going to put them in here to hold her up. Oops, wrong way. That one doesn't do anything. So now, made a mess. These wicks too long. Now, this is the reservoir. There. So for the next week or so, I'm going to be watering top water, and before I fill the reservoir, just to settle everything in, and I'll be using distilled water and won't be feeding it right away, maybe for a week or two. And now it goes into quarantine. Thank you for watching. Isn't she pretty?